Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, January 28, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am fine. Thanks. A little tired.
Me too. I need a strong coffee. Is the machine working?
Yes, it is working. I am making a cappuccino.
Great. I want a black coffee. No sugar today.
No sugar? Are you on a diet?
No, I just need the energy. I have 3 meetings this morning.
Wow, 3 meetings. That is a lot.
Yes, sales are busy. How is your project going?
It is going well. We are in the planning phase.
That is good. Do you have a minute to talk?
Sure. I have 5 minutes before my team meeting.
Did you read the news this week? It is crazy.
I read a little bit. What news are you talking about?
I saw an article in the New York Times on January 26.
Oh, really? Which one?
It is about the global carbon passport.
Ah, yes. I saw the headline. It is very controversial.
It is. The article says they are testing it in 5 cities.
Yes, 5 major cities: London, New York, and 3 others.
It is a pilot program, but I am worried
Why are you worried, David?
because I travel for work. I am a sales representative.
I understand. The passport limits your travel, right?
Yes, every person has a carbon limit for the year.
If you fly too much, you cannot fly again.
Exactly, or you pay a very high tax.
It is interesting. It helps the environment.
I know it helps the planet, but it hurts my business.
Maybe you can do meetings online, like on Zoom.
It is not the same, Alex. I need to shake hands.
That is true. But the article says tourism is the big problem.
Yes, people go on holiday 4 times a year.
This passport stops that. You get 1 or 2 trips only.
It feels like we are losing freedom.
I think it is necessary. The climate is changing fast.
You are always so logical, Alex.
I am a project manager. I like structure.
Well, I hope my company pays for my extra carbon credits.
I'm sure they will. It is a business expense.
I hope so. Did you see the other news from yesterday?
Which one? There is so much news.
The one in USA Today, about the school in California.
Oh, the AI high school? Yes, published on January 27.
That is the one. Classrooms without teachers.
It sounds like a science fiction movie.
It is real. They approved the first school with 0 human teachers.
0 teachers? That is extreme.
Yes, the article says the students use tablets all day.
And an AI guides them, right?
Yes, the AI plans the lessons for every student.
It says the AI adapts to the student's speed.
That is the good part. But who controls the class?
There are supervisors in the room, but they do not teach.
They are just babysitters. It is sad.
I don't know. Maybe it is efficient.
Efficient? Maybe. But school is about people.
True, social skills are important.
If I talk to a computer all day, I feel lonely.
But think about the cost. It is cheaper for the state.
Money, money, money. That is the only reason.
Also, the AI knows everything. It does not make mistakes.
Teachers make mistakes, but they care about you.
An AI cannot care. It has no feelings.
Exactly. I remember my favorite teacher, Mr. Jones.
Me too. Mrs. Smith was great at math.
An AI is not Mr. Jones. It is just a robot voice.
The article says parents are very angry.
I understand them. I would not send my kids there.
It is a test. Maybe it will fail.
I hope it fails. We need humans in jobs.
Speaking of humans and technology, did you see CNN today?
No, I did not check CNN this morning. Why?
There is a big story today, January 28.
Tell me, is it about politics?
No, it is about culture. The No Screen Sunday movement.
No Screen Sunday. What is that?
It is a viral trend. It is growing very fast.
What do people do?
They turn off their phones for 24 hours on Sunday.
24 hours? Without a phone? That is impossible.
It is not impossible, David. It is healthy.
But what if I have an emergency?
You can use a landline or just wait.
Wait? I cannot wait. I need to check my emails.
On a Sunday, you work too much.
I like to stay connected. What does the article say?
It says millions of people are doing it.
Millions, really?
Yes, and tech companies are losing money.
Why are they losing money?
Because nobody sees the advertisements on Sunday?
Ah, that makes sense. No eyes, no money.
The article says people feel happier.
Happier without Instagram. Happier without TikTok.
Yes, they talk to their families. They go to the park.
I go to the park with my phone.
But are you looking at the trees or the screen?
Okay, you have a point. I look at the screen.
The psychologists say anxiety is going down.
Less stress is good. Everyone is stressed now.
Exactly. It is a mental health break.
Maybe I should try it. Just one Sunday.
You should. We can try it together next week.
Okay, but if I get bored, I will turn it on.
No cheating, David. 24 hours means 24 hours.
Fine, but I will buy a newspaper.
A paper newspaper? That is very retro.
See? I can be traditional too.
It is funny. We have 3 stories this week.
Yes, one about travel limits.
One about robot teachers.
And one about turning off technology.
It feels like the world is changing very fast.
Too fast for me. I like my routine.
Change is inevitable, David. We must adapt.
I know, but first I need my coffee.
Is your coffee ready?
Yes, it is ready. It smells delicious.
My cappuccino is ready too.
Good. We have fuel for the morning.
Do you have a meeting now?
Yes, in 10 minutes, with the sales team.
Good luck with the sales.
Thanks. Good luck with your project planning.
Thank you. Let's meet here tomorrow?
Yes, same time, same place.
Maybe there will be better news tomorrow.
I hope so. No more bands or robots, please.
We will see. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.